if you're looking for a way to make that cash, you know, on a consistent basis, and you're looking on how to put that 9 to 5 and make money. I did a video on how to make $1,000 per week, and you can make more depending on if you have more apps that you would add. Okay, I just do like 2 apps basically, then I mix it with like some other like side hustles that I do. But like today, the time is 7:08 a.m. and I should be back at Home Depot at like maybe like in the next maybe 10-15 minutes or so, and I would have made like $80 before 7:30 a.m. Okay, delivering packages, not people, or just delivering packages. Okay, so you can make literally $80 an hour. You know, and of course it varies. You know, sometimes you get more, sometimes you get less, depending, you know, on whatever's going on. But you can mix it with, and what I always say is multi-app. Add in DoorDash. You know, maybe turn that on. You know, while you're waiting for a roadie or while you're waiting for a Spark order, whatever it is that you're waiting for. You know,
at the next light, turn left.
That's how you multi-app. That's how you make the most. You know, you turn other ones on. If the other one is kicking a little bit more and the other one is slower, pick up the other one. You know, and then at the end of the day, you add up everything. You know, but if you haven't started with Roadie, ROADIE, get started. Roadie driver. You can make money just picking up. And the good thing about it is like you're not going to a warehouse. You know, there are other apps that I was looking at, like MetroBee, and there's another one that said I did it now. You know, but you have to go like warehouses like across maybe like an hour away or so. You know, and then pick up. And you have to like, you know, schedule.
At the light, turn left onto State Street.
They have certain days that they put it out, you know, whatever, open routes and things like that and everything. So you can do those as well. But what I like about this is that this is just on demand. You know, you can wake up in the morning, and it starts very, very early. Like I picked up this one at like 5:50 in the morning. You know, I had to warm my car, my pickup truck. I have my pickup truck.
In 3.8 miles, turn right onto West Margaret Street.
Better with these type of ones if you have a pickup truck. Okay, and so you can use these to make money on demand. You know, you can make money from that. You know, so I'm gonna get like $80 for this one. Turn on DoorDash, see what's available on this one, because this with Roadie they have Walmart deliveries, they have Home Depot, they have what else? CVS. You know, so for like the pharmacy prescription ones, I use my Toyota. You know, those are just like little pharmacy, like 1 pound bags. So those are like no big deal. But for like doors and toilets and space heaters and or heaters and, you know, or boilers and other things that I pick up, panels, you know, I use my pickup truck, you know, and it's just a lot easier. Another thing that what would actually also help you is to have a dolly. And I have my dolly's capacity is about 200 pounds. I got it at what is that place? Harbor Freight, which is like very close to me. I purchased it for about $40, and it's foldable. So when you have a foldable dolly, that very lightweight, you know, it folds up to like very compact. I just put it on the corner of my trunk. You know, I have other things that I put like my chair, my foldable table for like my mobile braiding. So because I run separate businesses, right? I just put them in my so I have a minivan and then I have a pickup truck. So I put them in my trunk in my minivan, and it's good to go. So when I have a delivery that requires like, so the bed in my pickup truck is about 96 inches. Yeah, about 96 feet, 96 feet. So when I have like deliveries that are like with like long like doors and panels and things like that require like longer more space or longer beds, then I use my pickup truck. And if I have to, and most of the capacities are not more than 150. A lot of them are less, maybe 80 pounds or things like that. Then I just take the the dolly. So the way I do it to upload, because a lot of people want to ask like, how do you upload it, like when you have like larger items like 150 pounds, 100 pounds and stuff. So what I do is I just take the item, I just slide it down gently, so the Home Depot employees will help you to load it up in your car. They have what it called like, or the Walmart or whatever, they have the employees, they will, associates or whatever, they'll have you, or a lot of associates, they'll help you to, the loading crew will help you to load it up. So you ain't got to worry about like having to load it up.
Make a U-turn at LaSalle Street, then turn right onto State Street.
So they won't tell me to make a U-turn.